Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and I wanted to introduce you to two new products we have for your composition books. They're both covers. One is modular, which will hold 2 refills, and one is non-modular, which will hold only 1. Let's start with the non-modular. Okay, so just for your information, this is our rustic brown leather and this is our flight jacket leather, but there are like 7 or 8 different colors that you can get this in color combinations. Open it up and we have the full width pocket on each side. The nice thing about this pocket, and we make it this way, is so when you have it open and you're writing in your book, you don't have that, see there's no bump there that you have to write over. So it's really nice for that, and the added benefit, if you have a smaller tablet or an iPad, dimensions are in the product description. You can fit it right in there. So that's kind of cool too. These have pockets, 2 pockets on the front and 2 pockets on the back. All the dimensions and stuff, although you can probably imagine, because you know what size a composition book is, what sizes they are. Anyway, and then we have the modular. The modular holds 2. It is, well, I'll just show you the inside. It has a regular pocket. You don't need a no bump pocket because you have this hard cover, and there's going to be no bumps when you're writing. And then there's 2 of them in here. And this also has outside pockets, front and back, and that's basically the newest thing we have on it is to add those outside pockets, which is so convenient. The way you take these in and out is like this. You take this cord and pull on it. When you do, watch. See how it retracts that? And then you just pull out your cover and you put it back in and you pull this tight and it's back in there, just like that. So that's these 2 products. The other cool thing about this is that this modular one will hold 2 this is the extra large moleskin refill. It'll hold those also because they're about the same size as the composition book. These will be on intro special, and you will see that in the product description. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye.